You know, fam, what's happening? Love you, man. Please. You know. Oh, yeah. This is over the parking lot. Yeah. Much better. Yep. Favorite creepy beepies? Look in here. Yeah. I love you, Van. Please. So, yeah. People want to give me a hard time running around the hospital, asking for personal favors. Well, I hope somebody didn't have an affair with my birth father. And people lying through their teeth and abusing their positions, I won't tolerate it. I refuse to be bullied by these people in a boat. If somebody's mad at me turning like they're on crack or cocaine, they need to get off the trip because I refuse to be bullied about Sally Kent. I had criminal intent to take off the kid. Too many reasons, a surgical message.